Hey guys, Dan Ahmed back with another video. Today we have some escalation in the Middle East over the weekend, and of course crypto being the only thing open took a big hit. So as you can see here, we saw Bitcoin go down. If we go on the daily here, we had a nice red candle yesterday, closed down here. Now we're getting a little bit of a move back up, but again we are entering towards the bottom of the bear flag. We didn't get it this time, and then we popped back up to the top, so we could get a reversal from here. I am still in my shorts. Affiliate link below for Bitunix if you want to trade. As you can see, we have a bunch of shorts open right now. We have a Bitcoin short, a fund short, a cheese short, and a dot short, sitting pretty decent in the profits, 36%, 47%, 26, 25, etc. Affiliate link below if you want to support the channel, and it gives you a nice little discount on fee, so feel free to use that. But let's go. What do we got going on? We have a lot going on, and we have yields coming higher. We have silver, gold, all going down even more yesterday. A huge red day for gold. This was, a 8.2% drop for gold. That is a lot of money erased. So that is quite a large drop. Silver doing the same thing. I actually sold all my physical metals. I sold all my silver, gold, everything around January 23rd. So about $100 silver. I said, all right, let's go. January 23rd, where were we? Right about here. About 5,000 gold. I sold my palladium, I sold my platinum, everything. We're gonna buy back hopefully at the end of the year or something like that. SPY down. I have a big short open again from about $685. I think this will continue to play out if we don't resolve this situation in the Middle East very quickly. Crypto stocks taking a huge beating. I got rid of most of them. I have some small holdings, but I have most of these sold off in the account, kind of waiting for a lower price to re-enter some of these. Now, what do we expect to happen? I mean, anything could really happen right now. If we look at the 20-year treasury, you can see we're breaking out now in the 20-year treasury, and it looks like it wants to go to a new all-time high. Now this is bad for markets because this means that the chance of a rate cut is very low, so that is pretty brutal. If you want something that's kind of low volatility asset that gives you some return, one thing you can do right now is purchase some TLT. You can see right now it seems to be breaking down. If I clean up the chart a little bit, let's get something a little bit more clean here. You can see if we zoom in a little bit, I think any price below where we're at right now is a good entry. 82.5 is an amazing entry. $84 is a really good entry, and even right now is a really solid entry. So if you want to accumulate something to hold over the next couple of years, you can grab something like this. The price doesn't go down a lot. It pays you whatever 3.5%, 4% a year, and it usually goes up in recession. So if you go to like the monthly chart, you can see it's at quite a low price compared to where it has been historically. You can see in like the 2008 recession, this went from $84 all the way up to almost $180. So that was quite a good trade. I expect this to kind of happen again. We'll see what happens, but you can see we have some bullish divergences on the monthly here. This is what these green little markers are. So I expect this to come back up again. This is like inversely related to the interest rates, right? So as interest rates go up, that price of TLT goes down, but the yield goes up. So that's that's how it works. So there we go. I'm expecting this to continue to go up. If we get resolution, then maybe we come and break down finally. I am still thinking we're going to go into a recession over the next year here. You can see unemployment and all of that is going up. So here's the unemployment rate. We're at 4.4%. You can see it looks like it's been trending up. We started at like 3.4. Now we're up here, and I expect this to continue going up. So if this continues to go up, we'll go into a recession, and then asset prices will get even cheaper. I've been trying to stockpile gold, so that's what's going on. Just want to make a quick update since over the weekend. So just a quick video today. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Have a great day. Good luck out there. We'll see what happens today. Are we going to have a red Monday? We shall see. Yeah, a lot of asset prices going down, crypto going down, but yeah, Bitcoin dominance going up today, but it's been dropping for a couple of days since we hit that bull market support band at about 59.4%. So we shall see what happens. That's it for the video. Have a great day. I also have the premium membership on the channel now. Hit that join button if you want to try it out. $4.99 a month, and you get access to a bunch of trades. I've been doing a bunch of trades in my Discord, so feel free to check that out. You can see we got a bunch of shorts open. We got this one got stopped out for River, but my Fun, my DOT, my Bitcoin, all of these are very, very heavily in the profits. We're starting to take profits on some of them, and we'll leave some open. All my stops are at break even, so there's no risk anymore in these trades. So if you want to go ahead and join, feel free. And that's it. Have a great day. See you guys.